Hi everyone, I'm Ruben Gomez with Real Talk Real Actions Legacy. And our mission is to teach everyone how they can build a legacy. So we're founded here in San Bernardino, California. We have an office here on downtown, and the address is 320 North East Street. If you guys ever want to come check us out. Okay, so what I want to get into today's video is explaining one of our most popular products, and why it's so popular and why we think everybody should have one of these. So let me get into it. So it's called home mortgage insurance. So home mortgage insurance is something that is obviously different from homeowners. So really quickly, I'll explain. Homeowners insurance is a type of insurance that if your house gets damaged, either like a flood, a fire, earthquake, something like that, and if you have homeowners insurance, that should pay for those damages. So home mortgage insurance is something happens to you, then your house is covered. So I'm gonna get into it really quickly and explain why it's so popular and why it's like one of our #1 products. And we want to protect people's most valuable asset and also their key to a legacy, which is their home. So let's just say that's your home, and I'm gonna just put some numbers on the board for an example's purposes. So because this is not one size fits all, it's all pretty much case by case. So let's just say for this example, this house is $250,000. That means you're paying that much for that mortgage, and say your mortgage is a traditional 30-year mortgage. Let's say you just bought it this year, within this year, so 30 years. And you're paying a monthly payment for that amount of years, for 30 years, right? And so let's say this is you. And so the way this works is, if anything happens to you, like let's say you unexpectedly die, if you get ill, like sick, like say you get cancer or something severe, cancer, heart attack, or stroke, and then or say you get injured or you lose income. So if something like this happens to you, this product right here, which we're talking about, HMS, will pay that $250,000. So obviously we're all gonna die, so that's definitely something that could happen. But you might not die within that 30 years, and I'll explain why this product is really good as well. But if you were to get sick or injured, a lot of people lose their house, when they get cancer or something like that, because now their medical bills they go up, and their expenses go down, or their income goes down actually. So their expenses go up and their income goes down because they're focusing on their health, and they're not able to continue to work and make the same amount that they were before. So this product comes in handy and makes sure that we're going to be able to cover that $250,000. So also if you get injured in a car accident or whatnot, or if you lose your income for a period of time, and you're not able to make your mortgage payment, we'll make sure that there's cash in there, either that you don't lose that or you don't even lose this product, because you don't want to lose this. So and so let me kind of give you an example of like how this can work for you. Let's just say for this product you're covering obviously $250,000, because if you were to pass away, it's going to pay off the $250,000, and it's all tied to these numbers. So we're not going to cover anything different. We're designing this product to cover the amount of mortgage for the amount of years. So in this example, we're covering you for $250,000 for 30 years. And let's just say you're paying for this product. Let's just, to make the math easy, I'm gonna just pick a round number like $100. So you're paying $100, and then you're gonna pay that for 30 years, right? Times 30 years, so $100 a month, so it's times 12 times 30, which would equal $36,000, 36K, 36,000. So that's how much you're going to be paying into this product if you pay it throughout the whole 30 years. And here's why this product is the most popular product that we offer, because a couple things. Number one, no medical. No medical examination. That means that nobody's gonna come to your house. They're not gonna poke you in the arm. They're not gonna take your blood. They're not gonna make you pee in front of them. They're not gonna weigh you out or nothing like that. We could ask just a couple of questions and get you approved, and we could get you approved immediately. Today. So some of these other insurance companies offer products that take a long time, and they can't tell you if you can get approved today. In most cases, we're able to get people approved immediately, and today, after we fill out the application, we get a thumbs up, and you're good, and you're covered. And then also, another great benefit to this product, why people love it so much, is let's say none of this happens. Say none of this happens, which is a good thing, right? If you don't die, you don't get sick, you don't get injured, you don't lose your income, or nothing like that happens, what happens to this money? Well, it's $36,000 that you paid into it. Well, most conventional insurance is just the cost of insurance. Just like if you were to have a car insurance and you didn't crash at the end of the month, does the insurance give you your money back? No. So, well, here, we can give you 100% of your cash. $100% of your cash back. That means if you were to live the whole full amount of this mortgage, this 30 years, you didn't die, you didn't get sick, none of that happened. All the $100 a month that you're paying for that 30 years, which we just discussed is $36,000, you get 100 of that cash back. You get all of that back. So which makes this super secure. Also, like no risk, because it's almost like a savings at this point. If we were to have that money go into a different type of insurance product, it's just gone. So that's why we like offering this, because we're able to accomplish so many things. We're able to cover your house, your most important asset, in the event that the unlikely event that you may pass away. But if you don't die, because sometimes, according to LIMRA, only 2% of term insurance pays out. Some people actually outlive that term, right? So if you outlive it here with our product, you pretty much get all your cash back, 100% of your cash back, which makes it safe. So you don't feel like you're losing out on anything. And it's also a little nest egg. So at the end of this, you get a reward, get all your money back. So it's like you're saving. And that's why this product is our most popular product. And I was just giving an example, so these don't think these are going to be your numbers, because it factors, it varies on different factors. Excuse me. It's your age, your mortgage, and how many years on the mortgage, and then also your budget. Because say you don't want to cover all that because your budget is different, or maybe you want to cover more than that to have a little extra. It all depends. So it's all case by case. So if you want to find your numbers, we'll be glad to run them for you and go over it. And we do business 3 different ways. After you fill out the link, we'll discuss. But just know that you could either come down to our office here in downtown San Bernardino. We'll be glad to go over this. We could come to you, which is how we traditionally do, and we handle this all over the kitchen table. And now we're doing everything on the phone. If you want to handle everything on the phone, we could do that too. So we want to take away all excuses for you to securing your legacy today. So please fill out the link below if you want to get started, and either myself or my team will get back to you immediately. Thank you guys. Hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye.